The bald eagle is America's national bird. Strong, fierce, and patriotic.
I, Sam, the American Eagle, am here to offer you something never before seen on the internet. Culture, morality, and patriotism. You may proceed.
But can you believe that America almost chose this guy as the national bird thanks to Benjamin Franklin?
Tic-tac?
Yep, the turkey. However, people did not agree that the turkey was as brave and wonderful. Luckily, everyone decided that the eagle is way more majestic and powerful. Which one looks and sounds better to you? Or I think we can all agree that the eagle was the best choice. Happy 250 years, everyone!